Okay, this is the end result of a problem. The problem was two positive numbers a and b have a product of 300. The ratio of the positive difference of their squares to the square of their difference is 7 to 1. So I set, I had the positive difference of their squares as something like a squared minus b squared, and that equals 7 times the positive difference of the square of their difference, like 7 times a minus b squared. It's kind of how I started. I mean, I think I started with I really started with the a minus b parentheses squared as a denominator over here on the left side, and it was the ratio of this to this equals 7 to 1. Then I just multiply out the denominator on both sides, and then I did a lot of calculations. I plugged in 300 over a for b based on the fact that we were given that the product of a and b is 300. And then eventually I got here, where a squared minus 400 times a squared minus 300 equals 0. So two possibilities for a. 400 and then the square root of 300. Now, I didn't really explore the square root of 300 being a possibility, so I'll do that now. I'm going to go here. I want to find, what is the square root of 300? 17.320. All right, or 10 times the square root of 3, right? 10 times 23 to 25. Okay. All right, so exploring that. So like, I figure out if a is 20, this thing works. But what if a is 10 root 3 or 17.3? And what happens then? So I'm going to pull up a new screen just so I can figure this out. If a is 17.3 or 10 root 3, and we're saying AB equals 100, then see, like when A was 20, I could figure out in my head that B would be 15. 20 times 15 equals 300. So A was 20, B was 15, and A plus B, which is what they're asking us for, is 35. In this case, though, if A is 10 root 3, 10 root 3 times what equals 300? Times B equals 300. So B times root 3 equals 30. So B equals 30 over root 3. Or 30 root 3 over 3, which is 10 root 3. That doesn't make sense, does it? Let's go back for a minute here. Boop, 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 boop. Or 30 root 3 over 3 equals 10 root 3. If 10 root 3 times 10 root 3 equals 300, it's true. So that makes us wonder why that would be a possible answer here. If we set an equation, and we made this big fancy equation, possible solutions to this. See, negative 20 is a solution, of course, and negative 20 is a solution. Huh. 20 and negative 20 are solutions, but I don't even really want to go there. Okay, this is mostly a test of the screencast system, so let's stop, shall we? So I'm going to hit